Imagine a world where your innermost desires and dreams aren't just fleeting thoughts, but the seeds of your future reality. This is the essence of expectation and manifestation, a powerful process where your mindset isn't just a passive observer of your life, but the active creator. In this journey, we're diving deep into the heart of how your expectations can become the architect of your reality, unraveling the principles of manifestation that have mystified and empowered humans throughout history. We'll explore the intricate dance between our thoughts and the world around us, shedding light on how our mental frameworks can shape, mold, and even transform our external circumstances. Join us as we unfold the layers of this fascinating interplay, setting the stage for a profound understanding of the power that resides within the corridors of our minds. Diving into the human mind, we uncover the intriguing ways our expectations not only influence our perception of the world, but also the reality we live in. Think of it as a painter with a brush in hand, where the strokes on the canvas are guided by the mind's deepest beliefs and anticipations. This part of our exploration shines a light on the psychological underpinnings of expectation, revealing how what we anticipate can shape what we actually experience. It's like looking through a lens tinted with our hopes, fears, and dreams, coloring our world in unique hues. We'll walk through real stories that bring to life the potent force of expectation, showing how individuals have harnessed this power to mold their destinies, turning the intangible into the tangible. Through these narratives, we see the tangible loop where expectation breathes life into reality, and reality, in turn, fuels further expectation, creating a cycle of creation and manifestation. Now, let's unravel the mystery of positive affirmations and their undeniable impact on our mindset. Positive affirmations are simple yet powerful statements that, when repeated, have the ability to rewire our brain, fostering a sense of self-belief and confidence. It's akin to planting seeds in fertile soil, nurturing them daily until they blossom into a garden of positive thoughts. The science behind affirmations tells us that consistent practice can lead to changes in the way we perceive ourselves and our abilities, ultimately influencing our actions and the world around us. This part of our journey is not just about understanding what affirmations are, but also how to craft them effectively. It's about choosing words that resonate with your deepest desires and aspirations, turning them into daily mantras that guide you towards a more empowered version of yourself. Shifting from understanding to action, we now delve into the transformative power of turning our thoughts into tangible outcomes. It's about bridging the gap between what we envision in our minds and what we actually experience in our lives. This process is not just wishful thinking. It's grounded in real-world practices that people have used to achieve remarkable results. From the dreams we dare to dream to the actions we take to realize them, this stage of our exploration highlights the practical steps involved in manifesting our deepest desires. We'll hear stories of individuals who've turned their visions into reality, demonstrating that while there are limits to what we can achieve, the possibilities are often much broader than we initially perceive. These narratives serve as a testament to the power of focused thought and action, inspiring us to consider what might be possible in our own lives. Now, we step into the realm of science to uncover the foundation that supports the concept of mind over matter. This segment invites us to look beyond anecdotes and personal stories, directing our focus towards the empirical evidence that illustrates how our beliefs and perceptions have a tangible impact on our reality. Researchers have delved deep into the brain's mechanisms, revealing how our thoughts and expectations can physically alter our brain structure through neuroplasticity. We'll also tackle some common myths, providing clarity and dispelling misconceptions about the limits and potential of our minds. This understanding not only enriches our grasp of the mind's capabilities, but also empowers us to harness its full potential with a grounded approach, anchored in scientific insights. With the foundational understanding of how our minds can influence reality, we now move into the realm of practical application. This stage is all about incorporating the principles of expectation into our daily lives, transforming theory into tangible practice. We explore various daily routines and habits that can amplify the power of expectation, such as the art of visualization and creating vision boards that serve as a constant reminder of our goals and aspirations. Moreover, we delve into the importance of integrating positive affirmations into our daily routines, making them a natural part of our thought processes. This section not only provides a roadmap for embedding these practices into our lives, but also underscores the importance of consistency and intentionality in harnessing the full potential of our expectations. As we navigate through the practice of shaping our reality with expectations and affirmations, it's crucial to recognize and address the challenges and misconceptions that might arise. This segment of our journey is about identifying common pitfalls, such as the skepticism that often greets ideas that seem too good to be true, or the doubt that creeps in when results aren't immediate. We also focus on the need to adjust our beliefs and expectations to be more in line with reality, ensuring that our practices are grounded and effective. By acknowledging these hurdles and understanding how to overcome them, we empower ourselves to maintain a balanced and realistic approach to personal development, ensuring that our efforts lead to meaningful and sustainable change. Moving forward, we celebrate the power of personal transformation through the lens of those who have walked this path before us. This section is dedicated to the voices and experiences of individuals from all walks of life, whose stories of change and growth illuminate the profound impact of embracing expectation and affirmations. Through their journeys, we gain invaluable insights into the practical application of these principles, understanding the challenges they faced, the strategies they employed, and the victories they achieved. These testimonials not only serve as a source of inspiration, but also as a testament to the potential within each of us to shape our destinies and foster personal growth through the mindful application of our thoughts and beliefs. As we venture further, we delve into the realm of advanced techniques and strategies that go beyond the basics of affirmations and visualization. This crucial part of our journey is about deepening our practice and aligning our actions with our expectations, ensuring that every step we take moves us closer to our desired outcomes. It emphasizes the importance of persistence and consistency, highlighting that the path to manifesting our dreams is often a marathon, not a sprint. By adopting a more nuanced approach and integrating these advanced practices into our daily lives, we not only enhance our ability to shape our reality, but also fortify our resilience against the inevitable challenges that arise, setting the stage for lasting change and personal growth. As we bring our exploration to a close, we've journeyed through the intricate relationship between our expectations, affirmations, and the reality we experience. We've discovered that the power to shape our lives resides not in the external world, but within the confines of our own minds. Armed with the knowledge and techniques we've discussed, you're now equipped to take the first steps towards harnessing this power for your personal growth and transformation. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your world begins to transform. If you found value in this journey, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights into shaping your destiny. Your journey has just begun, and we're here to support you every step of the way.